Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I have some amazing news. I am guest designing for my Crafty boutique on ZIBBET. Louisa is the owner and she had contacted me via Instagram and she said she has a new kit out. You can also check this new kit on her channel on YouTube, and she goes by Crafty Boutique as well. And anyway, the new digital kit is called Monster Bash, as you can see here. Oh my gosh, if you guys love Pasteloween, it is so stinking cute. And like I said, she had messaged me on Instagram and asked if she could send me a kit and I can create some projects with it. So I said, of course, yes, because I'm a fan of Louisa's channel. She used to be, what is it, KSP Louisa, I think, on YouTube. But anyway, she goes by My Crafty Boutique now. And I mean, that is her YouTube channel. And I'll leave the link in the description box, so make sure you check that out. But I'm so super excited. As you can tell, I am super excited to create for her. And this Monster Bash kit is a digital kit. So she does provide you with the silhouette SVG files, and you can print them out from your computer. And I am just playing with my Cricut, so I can choose the SVG file, and that is, I think, the most compatible with printing and cutting on my Cricut. So I'm new to all this printing digital kits, so bear with me. So let me just walk you through what is in the kit. So these are the papers. Let me go ahead and show you this way so you can see it better. These are flowers with little eyeballs on some of them. Isn't this cute? If you love Pasteloween and you love this type of art, it is so pretty. And as you can see there, her background, they're somewhat, it's like a rainbow background, it looks like. And it's just super cute. I love it. I love the colors. I love printing them out. And here's the second one. And these are moon and stars, as you can see there. Here, let me show you this way. And I just love the background colors that she chose because it looks like a rainbow, or I think what she said was she wanted it to look like the night sky, which I'll show you in a minute. She has the background papers also for you to print. Here's another pattern right here. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? And she created all of these elements. Here's a candelabra and the spell book. And look at this, you guys. Who doesn't love plaid? And here are the little monsters and characters. And here is another paper. Isn't this amazing? And look, you guys, this is what I'm talking about. It has this very cloudy, it seriously just looks like clouds to me, like in pastel. And that's exactly what she wanted it to look like, is the night sky, but in pastel colors. So I love it. It's like ombre and rainbows and clouds all in one. So it is so super pretty. And I love that she gave you, just kind of the plain background, because you know, sometimes it's hard to work with really busy papers, so I do appreciate that. Here are the die cuts. I was playing with it last night. I had just gotten the files last night and I was so super excited that I stayed up. And well, I stay up every night anyway. This is the tarot cards, and let me show you better here because I did cut them out. So stinking cute. Look at this. The eyeballs, the haunted house. How adorable is this little guy? And the moon and stars. Okay, so there's so many elements. I love it. And as you guys can see, I was just cutting my heart out. I love the little word, the phrases, and there's just a ton of them right here. And what is nice about digital kits is that you can print them out as many times as you want. And I'm going to show you guys too. I made stickers. Yes! I made stickers all by myself. Here are, I can kind of show you better here, all the phrases and the banners. Isn't that amazing? And then I printed these out so you guys can see it better because there's just too many die cuts for me to go through. Isn't that guy really cute? He's a little wolf, werewolf. So stinking cute. If you guys like cutesy, this is it. And look, you guys, stickers. I made stickers, yes, with my Cricut. I'm so happy. These are also stickers, but I'm just showing you the elements right here. I mean, I just love it. They're so cute. Look at the spell book and look at that cassette tape. Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. So here's another element here. And again, this one's glossy, I think. That's why I'm showing you this one. I made a glossy stickers. You do need sticker paper, of course, to print this out on your computer, and then you can send it to your Cricut to cut. So I actually did my stickers in matte and also in glossy. Look, you guys, look at the elements. I love it so much. Here she kind of did clusters with the table, the party scene. Look at the balloons. Oh my gosh, it's just so stinging cute. That's how it looks like cut. And as you can see here, I set it so that it doesn't have the bleed on. This one has the bleed on, so you have more of a black border versus the one on the left has more of a white border. And I hope that makes sense to those of you who use your Cricut or your Silhouette. Okay, so anyway, just wanted to show you that. And there's just tons and tons of fun things to cut out. And I can't wait to provide. I can't wait to create some projects. In fact, let's go ahead and create like a super quick project. At the end of the video, I will do something really quick with you guys. So again, check out Louisa's ZIBBET store, my Crafty boutique. And here is a glassine bag. Okay, I got this at Daiso. I love the stripes, and we're going to cover up the sentiment there. So let's take one of these tarot cards, and we're just going to glue it on like so. I really meant to use a different tarot card, but I totally forgot what I was doing here. So, but it's still going to come out cute, you'll see. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick this on. I'm going to use my ATG gun here just to stick this on, and you'll see how super easy it is to decorate this fun little treat bag for Halloween. So I think I put, oh, I know what I was doing there. I got some dog hair there. My dog, oh my gosh. He does not shed a lot because he's a poodle. He's part poodle, but every once in a while it gets on my tape somehow. So isn't this super, super cute? So we're going to go ahead and add this banner die cut here. Look how cute that is. So I'll go ahead and just use my ATG gun again. This is going to be a very simple oops. Okay, I meant to center it a little better there, but oh well. I put it down. So I'm going to take a sticker. There it is. And I'm just going to go ahead and let's see where we're going to put the sticker. How about right there, maybe. Okay, well, it got stuck on there already, so why not? And so I meant for this to look like a party, so I kind of used the wrong tarot card there. I meant to use a different tarot card, but oh well. So I'm going to go ahead and put this to kind of go with that tarot card. So we're just going to stick it on there. So see how super easy it is to decorate. So I am definitely gonna make more stickers because this is just, it's so convenient when if you're gonna make a bunch of these for your kids. Super duper cute. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.